Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about Igbo attire. Like they said, any Igbo outfit without okpummei, which is red cap, and a leopard hat, which is okpuago, is not complete. Now, just take a look at this man's outfit. Starting from the head to the toe. They said that this attire is from Edo people. This man is from Igbo and he dressed in his traditional outfit for his traditional wedding. And people start saying that Igbos are copying their outfits. Ike Ogbonna, which is a movie actor, went to a wedding with his Igbo attire and they start bullying him with his friend that he don't supposed to wear it, that it is Edo attire and not Igbo attire. So, I'm going to clarify every bit of it in this video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. One thing you need to know about Igbos is that they love fashion. Igbo people, they love fashion a lot. Just take a look at this picture. This one, this one, this one, and then this one. So, now, what did you think about Igbo attire? Igbos normally wear isiago, the isiago, leopard head in English, also called chieftaincy, is a high prestigious attire that is worn by the Igbo people, which shows power, authority, and pride. So now let's talk about the one that they say that is from Edo people. This cloth that you are seeing is called Iwa Ogodo in Igbo language. It is called Iwa Ogodo. In the olden days, people don't have fashion designers. They normally wear this kind of clothes. Igbos wear it by tying it, not by tying, they fold it on their waist. Igbo men, that is how they wear it. They fold it on their waist with their beads on. That is how Igbo men dress. Or they will tie it one side of their neck down to their feet with their beads on and their cap, leopard cap or their red cap, okpummei. This outfit is a special outfit for titled men, not just for everyone. That's why it is not rampant. This outfit is made for ndị eze, nze, ozo, igwe, that is the kings, royal families are those ones that are supposed to be wearing these clothes. That's why it's not rampant. And they are wearing it till date. So I don't see why people will be saying that it is not for Ndi Igbo. It is for Igbo people. It is Igbo attire. It is called Iwa Ogodo. The attire is similar to Edo attire. That's all. Edo people have their own cap. They have their own beadings, very different from ours, and it is unique in its own way. And Igbo's own is very unique in its own way. Igbos can normally wear any clothes and it will fit their cap. They wear senator, they wear isiago, they wear so many other fashion with this. So I know some clothes that is not from Igbo. Just take a look at this one. This person is a king in Onitsha, but the attire is not Igbo attire. But once you see him, you will know that he is from Igbo because of his cap and his beadings. Now look at Edo bride, an Igbo bride. They are all the same. It's just the difference is beadings. Their beading is different. Edo bride, they don't joke with beads. Their beadings, they don't joke with it. It's very unique. I love that. Igbo women, they tie wrapper from their chest down to their toe, which Edo people used to do. But the difference is just the beadings. That is our culture. So even those ones that are in Nzenozo that are supposed to be wearing these clothes, sometimes they don't put it on like that. They only put these clothes on for special occasions. So if they have been putting these clothes on to anywhere they are going to, everybody will know that this is our culture. They want to put on trousers because it does not require folding. Maybe they don't want when they go out, they will start folding the clothes. They will start holding it. That's why they focus on trousers. But normally, if you see any person that is a titled man, he's supposed to be wearing this clothes. This is the outfit that he's supposed to wear with his red cap on. Haven't you thought about Igbo women who's supposed to be tying 2 wrappers? But instead, we don't tie that 2 wrappers. We now went to tell them how to sew the clothes so that it will look like a wrapper. In traditional wedding, as an Igbo woman, you're supposed to tie your chest first as a single lady and your waist with beads on it as a single lady. After your bride price being paid, when coming out the second time, you're supposed to tie 2 wrappers, not 1, 2 wrappers as a married woman. But now, what we used to do is that we'll go to our tailor and tell them, I don't want to tie that wrapper. That wrapper will remove from my waist. I don't want to stress myself. I just want to put on my clothes and go out. And the fashion designers will now design a clothes that looks like 2 wrappers. I'm not even talking about uli that women used to beautify themselves and other which they used to put on their hands and their legs. Our culture is going. I know that the world is civilized now, but at least whenever we are doing traditional things, let us do it in full so that people will know our culture and tradition. It is our right. It is our heritage. So let no one confuse you and let no one discourage you of doing what is right. It is our heritage. My Edo brothers, just know it that 65% of Edo are Igbos. Second son of Eri, the father of Igbo land, is Edo. So, we are one. Thank you for watching this episode. God bless you. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Bye. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Bye.